Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Medieval Adventure by Beloved Trust. In their code, we see when actor collides blocks for the item collection, when arrow press blocks, and if, then, else blocks. Journey through the land during medieval times. Next up we have Flappy Golf 2 by Upbeat Barber. In the code, we can see switch to background blocks, when I receive blocks, repeat blocks, move pixels, and point and direction blocks. With the least amount of flaps and clicks, try to make it to the hole. And here we have Raise a Ninja Cat 2 by Growling Whirlwind. In the code, we see a lot of say blocks for the story, when I receive blocks, broadcast blocks, change, and switch to costume blocks. Raise your own Ninja Cat and reach the Master Ninja level. Lastly, we have Speedster by Polluted Mercury. In Polluted Mercury's code, we can see set pen color and set font to blocks, switch to costume blocks, broadcast blocks, and next costume blocks. Run around and complete quests with lightning quick speed. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!